Okay, I'm in the kitchen with Leah today, and we are working on beef tips and gravy. Now, I've talked to you about how we make it. I'm going to give you a quick tip. I'm just about to get ready to serve it to the family with my ugly biscuits, but if you want thicker gravy than what you have in here, you can make a slurry. A slurry is real easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it right quick, and then we're going to eat our biscuits and gravy here. So what you do is you take a container and you get I'd say maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of this of the gravy out. Yeah. And then you're going to take some cornstarch. And I'm going to give Leah this fork right here. You ready to whip this up when I put it in here? Yep. We're going to whip that up some. There we go. Just sprinkle it in there. That's about a tablespoon. Go, girl. Stir it up. Go, go, go. Get those lumps out. It's going to be really good. And this is just an easy thickener for our gravy, so it'll be a little bit thicker. Now, you don't have to put any in it at all. It's perfectly wonderful the way it is. But what we'll do is stir that up real good like Leah's doing. That is perfect, Leah. All right, let me have it. We're going to pour it in this big pot here. Thank you very much. So here we go. Pour it in. And we're going to stir it up and give it time, and it's still bubbly and hot, and give it time to thicken a little bit. And then I'm going to serve this up on some ugly biscuits. So that's my tip for today, making a slurry to thicken your gravy out of cornstarch and the gravy from your crock pot. Y'all have a good one. Bye.